we can discuss unit second, electronic devices. In the electronic devices, first component we can discuss transistor. What is a transistor? Transistor is a transfer of resistor. The transistor word comes from the transfer, TRAN, from transfer, and from resistor, SISTORS are coming, and that makes a transistor word. There are many types of transistor in use. Each transistor is specialized in its application. The main classification is as follows. The primary transistor is the BJT, bi-junction transistor, and field effector transistor or FET, FET is the modern version of transistor. Let us have a look at the BJTs. BJT, bipolar junction transistor. A bipolar junction transistor, shortly termed as BJT, is called so as it has two PN junction for its function. This BJT is nothing but a normal transistor. It has got two types of configuration, NPN and PNP. Usually NPN transistor is prepared for the sake of convenience. The following image shows how a practical BJT look like. The types of BJT are NPN and PNP transistor. The NPN transistor is made by placing a P-type material between two N-type material, and the PNP transistor is made by placing an N-type material between two P-type materials. BJT is current controlled device. A normal transistor, which we had discussed in previous chapter, comes under these categories. These functionality, configuration and application are all the same. The structure of the transistor. A transistor has three doped regions shown in the figure. The bottom region is called as emitter, the middle region is called as base, and the top region is called as collector. In an actual transistor, the base region is much thinner compared to the collector and emitter regions. The transistor figure is an NPN device because there is P-type region between two N regions. Recall that the majority carriers are free electrons in the N-type material and holes in the P-type material. Transistors are also manufactured as PNP devices. A PNP transistor has an N region between two P region. To avoid confusion between NPN and PNP transistor, our early discussion will be focused on NPN transistor. Doping levels shown in the figure. The emitter is heavily doped. On the other hand, the base is lightly doped. The doping level of the collector is intermediate between the heavy doping of the emitter and light doping of the base. The collector is physically the largest of the three regions. The transistor figure has two junctions, one between the emitter and base and another between collector and the base. Because of this, transistor is like two back-to-back diodes. The lower diode is called as emitter base diode or simply the emitter diode. The upper diode is called as collector base diode or the collector diode. Before and after diffusion, when the P-type material that can be connected to the N-type material and P-type material that can be connected to the N-type material, that time diffusion process will be start. After the and before the diffusion, Figure shows the transistor region before diffusion has occurred. Because of their repulsion of each other, the free electrons in the n regions will be spent in the all directions. Some of free electrons in the n region will be diffused across the junction and recombine with the holes in p region. Visualize the free electrons in each n region crossing the junction and recombining with the holes, the result of two depletion layers shown in the figures. For each of these depletion layers, the barrier potential approximately 0.7 volt at 25 degrees Celsius for silicon transistor and 0.3 volt at 25 degrees Celsius for a germanium transistor. As before, emphasize silicon devices because they are now more widely used than germanium devices. There are three useful ways to connect the transistor with a common emitter, a common collector, or a common base. The CC and CB connections are discussed in later. Will be focused on CE connection because it is the most widely used.